The challenge for home insurers and the VBA is water damage and bathrooms not being renovated properly. They get water leaks, it becomes a home insurance claim, and they've all had enough. There's three things that I would say that we do to really make sure it's done well. And one of the things that we do with the floor, firstly, is waterproofing. Well, now there's regulations and it has to be done to minimum standards. We'd rather beat those standards rather than just meet them. One of the second things that we highly recommend for a floor is underfloor heating. Not only is it luxurious, if you have a shower at 6 o'clock every morning, you set a timer so it comes on at 5, heats up, you walk in there, you've got this beautifully warm floor, then let it run for 2 or 3 hours afterwards, and it dries the floor out. You want a dry bathroom. So the benefit of underfloor heating is that it dries out the floor after you've used it. One of the third things that we do is we use epoxy grout on all the floor. It's waterproof, and it's just that third layer of warranty, third layer of care to reduce the opportunity for any of those water leaks or issues that are really prevalent in bathroom renovations today.